guys, so while we're waiting for our beautiful followers on Instagram to reply us, one thing is for sure, we're definitely using Plouise. So while that is happening, why not just start off with reviewing this? So it comes in a bottle like this. It's really small, almost the length of my index finger, which is my middle finger, and this is in the shade Rumor 3. I got this for £5 on their website when they were having 50% sales during New Year Eve. So yeah, so I'm just going to squirt a little bit out on the back of my palm so you can see how really small and really nice it is. So this is what it looks like. It's really, I just like the tube is like really tight, so this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to apply a little bit because we want to test how really, you know, nice it is. I like to use my finger to blend it. I'm just going to blend. So this is what it looks like. So to start off, I'm going to be applying some crease color, and of course I'll be using the Ever Pigmented Eye Magic palette. I like to use this palette especially whenever I'm doing like colorful eye looks, which is basically what I'm going to be doing today anyways. So just going to pack this burnt orange into my crease. Dark red there, so it gives me this color. So to darken it even further, I'm going to take a little bit of black, dust it off, and next I'm going to cut my crease. Shimmery orange color right there. See what it looks like, and I'll put that on my lid. So guys, we have a tiebreaker. Let me show you. I need you guys to respond ASAP, alright? So we have a tie. Right now we have we have a tie. We have gotten a winner, so the winner is Benign. So I'll be using the Benign Snow White, and as always I like to use my index, my middle finger, and just repeat the same steps. Already I can see like I can tell the difference. Unlike this one, when you apply your powder, your eyeshadow, like the brush will be sticking to the product, like it will now make it to be like as if no there's but this one was very smooth. You just apply it and it's dried almost immediately. But this one, and even though it's dried, it's still it makes your color like come out more and really pigmented. But you see this one, this is the type of base that you use, and you tap first so that you use it to set the product before you now start swiping. Okay, so that's the major difference. Looks good. Why are you blowing me kisses? Did you do something wrong?
The eyelashes. God damn. Where do you guys get all these eyelashes from?
Question.
That's a lot.
I'm filming, but I'm almost done. So I'll call you when I'm done.
Sounds like a plan, baby. Right.
I love you.
I love you too, boo.
So guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. Which of the eyeshadow base do you think you prefer? Is it the Plouise base canvas, or is it the benign clone white primer? Let me know in the comment section. Until my next video guys, I love you guys. Stay blessed.